Hi, good morning. Welcome to day 2 of the High Body Challenge. If you missed out on day 1, don't worry. You can look back for it in the posts or the emails, but it's never too soon or too late to start loving and having gratitude and choosing something different with your body. So let's start. Just place your hands on your face. And what if you could do this with the same gentleness and regard, tenderness and honoring that you would if you were placing your hands on the face of a small child or a baby. And feel your hands on your face and your face in your hands and say, "Hi, body. Hello, good morning. Who are you today? What would you like to tell me? If for once I was truly listening to you, what would you like me to know? What if you just thank your body for all the gifts that it gives to you? The things that you couldn't do if you didn't have a body. You couldn't taste that cup of coffee that's going to be so delicious pretty soon. You couldn't feel the softness of your pillow, the coziness of your blanket. You couldn't hear my voice. You couldn't look forward to hugging a friend or a family member today, or even the feel of the breeze on your face when you go out into the world, or the sun or the rain. None of those things are possible unless you have a body, and you do. How did you get so lucky? Thank you, body. Just for today, I'll endeavor to be kinder to you and listen a little bit more to what you have to say. Thank you, body. Hi, body. I love you, body. Thanks for joining me. Bodies, thank you for joining me. Have an amazing day.